The COVID-19 pandemic continues to have a crippling effect on sports, with several leagues cancelled, postponed, or being held without fans. And even as some athletes have been able to return to competition under strict protocols, the majority has seen a major dip in their earnings for 2020. The state of affairs has seen several pundits and analysts weighing in on the issue, including legendary West Indies cricketer Michael Holding. More in this report. We caught up with Holding as he took a break after being involved in back-to-back tours in England in his post-cricket career as a commentator with international broadcaster Sky Sports. Holding, who revealed that he has lost people to the pandemic, which has claimed the lives of over 1 million people worldwide, also bemoaned its effect on sports. And though some sports have returned, a vital part of the atmosphere is missing.
No one is able to attend these games. And that is a big problem because sportsmen need some sort of atmosphere. Not that it detracts totally from the sport, but detracts to some degree from the sport. So sportsmen need some sort of atmosphere, and it's good to get the crowds back in. But it is understandable as COVID-19 is taking shape all over the world why you can't do it. And we have to wait, Karen, until we can find a good remedy for this thing or a vaccine to get rid of this thing.
Holding also had a message for Jamaicans.
They're not serious restrictions. They're just things that you're being asked to do to save your life and to save other people's lives. Wearing a mask, how restrictive is that? People go into a motor car, the regulations or the law say you put on a seatbelt. I don't see people hesitating to put on a seatbelt. They say it helps to save your life in a car. Well, the mask is a similar situation. It helps to save your life. Similar situation in regards to mixing and big crowds. Just follow what the scientists are trying to tell us to do. Follow those regulations, follow those new so-called restrictions, and let us hopefully get through this thing and make sure that we are around for when we find a solution for this COVID-19. Please, it is not that difficult.
Holding was speaking in an interview via Zoom with TVJ Sports on Thursday.